Greetings, welcome to HauntHub. So, this is a unified AI super agent powered entirely by Kiro. This Victorian Ghost Butler AI orchestrates multiple unrelated technologies using Kiro's MCP tools, agent hooks, steering documents, and specs. So, we have some quick commands over here. You can ask host to dim the lights. You can also ask host to brighten the lights. Right. And you can get a spooky sky characters, pumpkin, and you can also get like show me a bat and some other stuff as well. You can ask it to read your notes, so you can enter, text documents into it, and it'll read those text documents in a spooky manner. And there's this favorite part of mine, which is ghost to scare me. So time ghost pops up with sound effects, and then you can ask it to write a haunted poem. And as you can see, there's this hovering thing in the mouth, and then we can also ask it to tell me a story. It'll tell you a story, and since we have integrated Gemini into it, so you can also ask it questions like tell me about cosmos, and it'll give you some interesting answers, some interesting spooky Halloween themed answers because of the prompt that we have entered into it, right? And yeah, this is the code base. So let's go to Gemini part first. So this is the prompt for that and entire thing. And we used spec to code methods. So we started with the huge command and then it generated the entire app. And then we made certain changes, added, inserted Gemini API key and all to make them, this app working the way it is working right now. We have also used MCP tools. So there are four of them, right? And this is the entire app.jsx. So to reduce the usage of Gemini tokens, we have some pre-written answers for certain commands. So if you ask it to tell you a story or give you a poem, so we have these 15 poems, and it will give you one of these poems randomly if you are enter the command. And then we have some uh, answers for like similarly for show me a bat, show me a pumpkin, show me a skull and stuff. And then we have pre-written stories, and obviously if you ask it to give you new answers, it will do that as well because we have Gemini integrated. But it will usually use these pre-written answers for that as these commands. And that is it. This is my project. And yes, you also like we also have voice command here. So yeah, you can also use voice input. And that was my project. Thanks a lot.